some big breaking news coming in. The latest in Sushant Singh Rajput's case in the Supreme Court. Caveat petition by Sushant's father in plea filed by Sushant's girlfriend Rhea. Sushant's father has asked court to not pass an order on Rhea's plea without hearing him out first. Here's a caveat filed by Sushant Singh Rajput's father against Rhea's plea filed in Supreme Court. Now, Sushant's father appeals before court not to pass an order on Rhea's plea as yet without hearing him out. Anisha Mathur joining us on the phone line for more details. Anisha, here is Rhea, who challenged the case filed by Sushant's father against her in the Supreme Court, and now Sushant's father himself has now filed a caveat petition asking for the court to first hear him out before passing an order on Rhea's appeal.
Well, yes, this entire controversy has now landed in the Supreme Court. Remember, Rhea Chakravarti had moved this plea because she wants all investigations to happen in Mumbai. She's saying that the FIR in Patna should not have been filed. The investigation should be in Bombay itself. On the other hand, of course, now today we've got the caveat that has been filed by Sushant Singh Rajput's father, who is saying that no order should be passed in the plea filed by Rhea Chakravarti without hearing his side of the story. We are yet to find out when this matter will actually be heard, because yesterday when the petition was filed by Rhea Chakravarti, it has not yet been cleared by the registry. There are still certain defects in that. So in the next 1 or 2 days, we should find out when this matter will be heard and what happens next in this entire saga that's played out largely in the media glare. Remember the kind of allegations that have been raised by Sushant Singh Rajput's family against Rhea Chakravarti and her family are very serious, but there are several things that will have to be considered regarding the jurisdiction of the Bihar police to file this FIR, how the investigation is happening, and whether a second investigation into this entire controversy can happen when there is already inquest proceedings going on in Bombay. So a lot of legal issues have been raised in this in Rhea Chakravarti's petition. At the same time, there is the court family of Sushant Singh Rajput trying to find out exactly what happened.
Absolutely. Anisha, here we must note that Sushant Singh Rajput's death, was there abatement to suicide is what is being probed by the police. In fact, here is Rhea's plea in the Supreme Court asking for the case to be moved from Patna to Mumbai, while Sushant's father comes forward filing a caveat asking for the court to first hear him out. Remember, Sushant's father has accused Rhea Chakravarti of some financial mismanagement. 15 crores and the money trail that's now being investigated, 15 crores that's been moved out of Sushant's accounts and credited into 3 unknown accounts. Now that money trail is also being identified. Also a lot of talk about Sushant and Rhea Chakravarti, who had started 3 startup companies together. What really happened to that? What was the fate of that? All of that currently being probed. Many angles of Rhea Chakravarti also trying to threaten Sushant Singh Rajput of revealing to the world that he was mentally unstable. Allegedly, these are the allegations there put forth by Sushant's father. In fact, Anisha, here we're looking at Sushant Singh's father, who was mulling over he was in fact waiting for the Mumbai police to complete its probe before actually filing an FIR, but now it appears that they couldn't wait any longer. They went right ahead and filed an FIR in Patna. But how much of Rhea Chakravarti's appeal before the Supreme Court to move the case to Mumbai will really hold water here?
Well, that is, as we've been discussing for the last couple of days, there are 2 aspects to this. One is the serious allegations that have been raised in Sushant Singh Rajput's father's complaint to the Patna police. He's raised allegations ranging from cheating to breach of trust to wrongful confinement to abetment suicide. On the other hand, is the fact that the Mumbai police is conducting an inquiry, where inquest proceedings are going on, and the fact that the death actually happened in Bombay. Therefore, the question is going to be whether the Patna police could have registered this FIR in the first place. Remember, there are jurisdictions because the death happened in Bombay, because Riya Chakravarti also happened in Bombay, and the fact that the Bombay police is investigating. We have in India has something called a zero FIR, that an FIR can be filed wherever the complainant stays, but that FIR will then get transferred to wherever the incident or the place of incident is. However, in this case, the Patna police has not filed a zero FIR. They have filed a full FIR. So we'll have to wait and see how this entire legal tangle plays out. Because Riya Chakravarti's lawyers, of course, have said that since the Bombay police is conducting inquest proceedings, since the entire incident, alleged cheating, the alleged wrongful confinement, and the alleged suicide, all of it happened in Bombay. It is not for the Patna police to start a probe. But the Patna police, of course, has already initiated the probe. They are in Bombay. They have started questioning people. So it will be very, very interesting to see how the question of jurisdiction will play out. And remember, Riya Chakravarti has not said that this FIR should be transferred to Bombay. The petition is going to will be heard in the next few days by the Supreme Court. As of right now, it is still in defect. It has not been listed for hearing yet. So we'll have to wait and see what the Supreme Court also has to say about transferring the investigation.
Anisha, thank you very much for joining us with those details there. Riya Chakravarti there filing an appeal before Supreme Court asking for the transfer of case, while Sushant Singh's father now coming out to file a caveat petition asking for the Supreme Court not to hear Riya's petition until he's been heard.